Venza antenna was stolen, so I have to replace it. One second. First of all, what you have to do is open the cover. Let's see. Antenna right there. I already opened the bolt. So basically, just pull this out of the antenna and change with the new one. I bought this used for $40, which is around 120 new online. Okay, now I can release the connector. It's kind of hard. Okay, now you can pull this open. Don't forget cleaning first before installing the new one. Okay, now we need to screw in back, tighten up, and connect the antenna to the connector. Last step is connector. Antenna with connector. Click. There you go. So you just need to put it back.